Good morning class. In previous video I have explained you about the reactivity of metals and non-metals with acids and base. So today we are going to learn about the displacement reactions. What are the displacement reactions? Basically, displacement reactions is the reaction in which metal with higher reactivity displaces the metal with the lower reactivity. Alright, or we can say a metal with the higher reactivity reacts with the solution in which the metal is present in with lower reactivity. Okay, so this type of reaction is known as displacement reactions. Let's see with the help of activity. Okay, this is copper sulfate solution in which we have dipped the knife which is made up of iron. After some time it will turn reddish brown color. Why it turns reddish brown color? Due to separation of copper from the copper sulfate, or we can say iron displaces the copper sulfate solution. So let's perform an activity in which we have take 5 beakers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In first and second beaker we put 5 gram of copper sulfate. Third and fifth beaker we put 5 gram of zinc sulfate, and in fourth beaker we put 5 gram of iron sulfate. Mix it well, and second and fifth beaker we put iron nails. Third and fourth beaker we put copper fillings, and in first beaker we put zinc granules. Keep it for some time, and after some time we have seen that first and second beaker get changed while there is no change in third and fifth beaker. So what is the change in first beaker? Zinc plus copper sulfate. Copper sulfate which is blue color solution, जिंक ने कॉपर सल्फेट को रिप्लेस कर जिंक सल्फेट बनाया विच इज़ अ लाइट ब्लू कलर सोल्यूशन. ऑलराइट, एंड यहाँ पर कुछ ब्राउन कलर का ये जो सोल्यूशन दिखाई दे रहा है दिस इज़ कॉपर. ऑलराइट, ये दिस रेडिश ब्राउन इज कॉपर. एंड सेकेंड बीकर में क्या रिएक्शंस हो रही हैं? सेकेंड बीकर में कॉपर सल्फेट एंड आयरन के बीच में रिएक्शन हुई. यहाँ पर कॉपर सल्फेट ब्लू कलर का सोल्यूशन था Fe की प्रेजेंस में. अब कलर देख सकते हो आप किस कलर का बन गया, ये ग्रीन कलर का सोल्यूशन बन गया है. Fe सल्फेट का जो आयरन सल्फेट का जो सोल्यूशन होता है वो ग्रीन कलर का होता है. एंड यहाँ पर ये ब्राउन कलर वाला पार्ट दिस शोज द copper, deposition of copper. All right, so this is the reaction of second beaker. देखा कि जिन बीकर में रिएक्शन नहीं हुई उनका रीज़न क्या था? उसका रीज़न था कि वो जो लीस्ट रिएक्टिव वाले मेटल्स होते हैं वो हाई रिएक्टिविटी वाले को रिप्लेस नहीं कर पाते हैं उनकी पोजीशन से. Alright, so this is the reactivity series. Here we can see potassium and sodium are the most reactive elements, while platinum and gold are least reactive elements. Of metals and non-metals. Metals को particularly हम use कर सकते हैं for the making of machines, automobiles, pipes. Alright, or we used iron in the construction of buildings and bridges. Iron is also a metal. फिर metals का use हम utensils के लिए कर सकते हैं. Zinc and nickel is used for coating iron, for protecting iron, for getting corroded. ऑलराइट, फिर मेटल का यूज़ हम ज्वेलरी बनाने में कर सकते हैं, लाइक सिल्वर, गोल्ड एंड प्लेटिनम की ज्वेलरी हम यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, मेटल यूज़ होता है थर्मोमीटर्स में. पर्टिकुलरली थर्मोमीटर में जो मेटल यूज़ किया जाता है दैट इज़ मरकरी. So these are the some uses of metals. Next is uses of non-metals. Oxygen is very essential non-metal for the life. Alright. Next one is hydrogen. Hydrogen is basically used for the synthesis of ammonia. Chlorine gas, which is also a non-metal, is used to kill germs. Next, carbon and nitrogen, which is a part of living organisms. Alright. Coal, petroleum. Coal, petroleum, these are the forms of carbon and used as fuel. Next, graphite is another form of carbon which is used in pencils and dry cells. Next, non-metal is sulfur, which is used in batteries as an acid. Particularly H2SO4 is an acid. Next one is phosphorus. मैच स्टिक के अंदर ब्लैक जो होता है दैट इज़ phosphorus. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ आयोडीन. आयोडीन को यूज़ किया जाता है एज अ हीलर इन मेडिसिन्स, or we can use iodine in table salts. Table salts particularly referred to as common salt. Okay, so what is the formula of common salt? That is NaCl. So there are many uses of non-metals. Alright, you can see uses of metals and non-metals. This is your homework. Give reasons for the following. Phosphorus is stored under water. Sodium metal is stored under kerosene. Graphite is used in dry cells. Electric wires are made from aluminium and copper. Soft iron nails kept in the solution of copper sulfate get coated with copper. Zinc is used for coating iron. Jewelry is made from silver, gold and platinum. Chlorine is used for purification of water.